Welcome! Today in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and in this video I will unbox it, show you the first impressions, and we'll together see what accessories this bad boy comes with. So let's begin. So to be perfectly honest with you guys, I've already unboxed this smartwatch, but unfortunately recording has gotten corrupted somehow, and well, didn't get saved properly, or haven't gotten saved properly, should I say. So some of the peels, as you can already tell, are stripped off, but well, we'll still imagine that that's my first time unboxing it for the purposes of this video. Anyway, so in order to unbox it, you'll have those peels sitting around here somewhere like that, or those are the wrong ones, maybe those fit. Yeah, those seem to be a perfect match here, like that. So you just peel them off, don't need a knife, no other tools really. Samsung makes it very easy and, well, simple for you. Now let's actually open the box and see what you'll get inside of it. So here's the smartwatch's body itself, the whole head of the operation, the little computer. So that's what you get. You also get the straps, obviously, and a bunch of paperwork to go with it. So let's first open the straps and see what they look like. I mean, you can already tell from the picture here, but well, doesn't hurt to see the product itself. So those are the straps, and that's the smartwatch's body. Now, if you will shake the box that the smartwatch itself was laying in off, you'll get to the paperwork, as well as charging wire, which you obviously are getting. So let me quickly show it to you. So this wire, Type-C to, well, magnetic little circle that you just put underneath the watch themselves. It gets magneted, it actually holds the watch. Not too well, to be honest with you, so I wouldn't leave it hanging if I were you, but as you can see, it pops right to the watch, or the smartwatches themselves, should I rather say. So the paperwork is boring, so we'll skip that part. Let me quickly power the smartwatch on. Let's put these straps on it. It's pretty, or not pretty, it's a very simple process. You just don't need to press any buttons, don't need to align anything, just position the watch depending on what arm you are planning to wear it on. This way, if you are looking to have it on your left arm, the opposite way if you would like to carry it on your right arm, or, well, whatever, it's really up to you. And simply pop the straps like that until you hear a click. That means that the strap is on all the way. Once you do that on the opposite side as well, and that's your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra assembled. And well, that's not much more I can tell you about it, to be perfectly honest. Here you'll have the watch setup, which we will record a separate video about, so if you need help with that, make sure to check that video out. But as far as the unboxing and first impressions go, that will be it. I guess the only thing that I can say more is that the straps, the default straps that you get, feel pretty decent. The rubber is very soft and pleasant to the touch. As you can see, it's not too stretchy, which is nice, which means that it should be durable enough. The watch's body is pretty heavy as far as the watches go, but well, that's what you would expect from the Ultra watch. It's heavy duty, or heavier duty at least. So yeah, it has to be sturdy, it has to be heavy. The materials on the watches themselves feel pretty nice, but it doesn't feel metallic at all. I would assume that's titanium, right? If that's the Ultra model, that's what they would be going after. And the titanium feels pretty smooth, pretty light, plasticky even, like in a good way. But yeah, as far as the unboxing and first impressions go, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Should you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you around. Bye.